Moving through the gates, the herd pushes forward into the mechanized heart of the facility.
Once the biometric scan is complete, the grid turns green, signaling that the subject is cleared for the next phase of the process.
Integrating advanced technology like this hydraulic weighing system allows farmers to closely monitor livestock health and productivity.
Our state-of-the-art facility uses robotic precision to apply tracking symbols, ensuring the health and safety of our livestock.
In the heat of summer, these gentle giants rely on a fine misting system to stay cool and comfortable in the modern barn.
The herd moves calmly through the automated gate, entering the next phase of the facility.
These textured black mats and metal grates are designed for optimal hoof health and hygiene, ensuring the comfort of the herd.
The blue lines indicate the path, shifting to yellow and then red to safely guide the cattle to the next enclosure.
Here at our facility, the comfort and cleanliness of our herd is our highest priority. The continuous flow system ensures a pristine environment.
Here at the facility, our robotic systems utilize advanced laser grids to ensure the health and well-being of the livestock.
Welcome to the future of husbandry. Every measure is taken to protect this valuable stock within our walls. The smooth operation of the roller conveyor ensures the steady movement of the black Limousin cattle through the barn. The herd moves through the main gate, entering the primary processing area. Strict protocols are observed at every stage. Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes precision hydraulics to ensure the comfort and safety of the herd. This allows for seamless operation.
The Viridian system precisely maps the environment, ensuring optimal positioning for livestock management and care.
The automated conveyor system ensures a steady flow, optimizing throughput in the main facility while minimizing stress.
A fine mist of water ensures the herd remains cool and clean. The gentle spraying and soft mooing.
We monitor every step, ensuring optimal health and peak performance through real-time data analysis.
Here at the dairy, we ensure our cows are always comfortable. The cooling misters help them relax and enjoy their feed, even on the warmest days.
As the cows move along the conveyor, the robotic systems autonomously attach, ensuring a gentle and precise milking process every time.
Narrator is a pure voiceover narrator. Do not render narrator as a visible character. Do not create any images or video shots for narrator.
Pressure sensors confirm optimal force distribution. System ready. Conversion authorized.
The automated tenderization process ensures maximum consistency and flavor integration. Our precision...
The raw meat is continuously fed into the stainless steel drum, ensuring an even mixture every time.
Utilizing advanced optics, every cut is analyzed for optimal marbling and color, guaranteeing a perfect burger grade every time.
The automated pressing sequence ensures uniform thickness for optimal processing.
The liquid nitrogen rapidly drops the temperature, ensuring peak freshness and quality for the cuts of meat moving down the line.
Our state-of-the-art process ensures every cut is meticulously cleaned, guaranteeing the highest quality product. Using advanced laser technology, the system analyzes the marbling and texture of every cut, ensuring only the highest quality product reaches the consumer.
The automated sorting system ensures that every cut meets our rigorous quality standards before moving to the next stage of processing. Heavy-duty rollers press lightly against the beef surfaces, expelling trapped air pockets and ensuring consistent contact with the conveyor belt.
Here we see the continuous flow of high-quality ground beef moving towards the industrial mixer.
We use only the freshest cuts of beef, ensuring perfect texture and flavor in every package.
We take great care in selecting only the freshest cuts, ensuring a perfect grind every single time.
The grinding process ensures a consistent, high-quality texture, essential for the finest cuts.
Our state-of-the-art grinders ensure high-volume production, processing finely ground red meat with unmatched efficiency and precision.
With the new sensor technology, we can guarantee a precise lean-to-fat measurement of 73.5% every time.
These large metal augers rotate precisely, feeding the raw red meat chunks into the grinder for processing. The flow is steady and controlled. As the meat is finely ground, it immediately combines with the frozen chunks inside the stainless steel hopper, creating a perfectly consistent mixture.
The automated paddles ensure the finely ground meat is spread into uniform layers, guaranteeing consistent thickness for subsequent processing. Automated paddles spread the ground beef evenly across the conveyor width, preventing clumping and ensuring uniform downstream mixing.
Here we use advanced electrical pulses to both tenderize the meat and ensure complete sterilization, guaranteeing safety and quality.
Optical cameras mounted overhead analyze the ground beef surface, confirming consistent granulation and color uniformity across the entire stream.
The finely ground red meat is precisely compacted by these heavy-duty stainless steel rollers, ensuring a dense and consistent product every time.
The finely ground beef travels along the wide conveyor. A central divider splits the flow, preparing the meat for parallel processing.
Chilled air curtains sweep across the ground beef lanes, locking in texture and preventing moisture buildup as movement continues.
A large stream of finely ground red meat flows into the industrial mixer. The rotating paddles then ensure a thorough blending of ingredients.
Inside the mixer, the paddles slowly begin to turn, transforming the finely ground beef into a consistently homogeneous mixture.
To ensure maximum flavor, strips of high-quality bacon are evenly distributed into the ground meat mixture.
To achieve the perfect texture, we blend the finest cuts of red meat with savory bacon, ensuring a uniform mixture every time.
The finely ground beef is precisely blended in our industrial mixers, ensuring perfect consistency every time.
The powerful stainless steel paddles ensure a consistent mix, moving the product efficiently towards the discharge opening for packaging.
A slow reversing paddle cycle activates, pulling the beef mixture back through the center zone to eliminate directional bias and ensure uniform distribution. The seasoning is applied evenly across the conveyor belt, ensuring consistent flavor. Our system guarantees a perfect coat every time.
The circular plates press down, creating a perfectly dense and uniform product for packaging.